Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Today I'm making chicken puff pastry. It is so easy to make. Here I have some sweet corn and half onion cut into square pieces, and I have chicken breast which I have already boiled for 15 minutes. So first I am going to add the sweet corn and onion frying pan, and I'm gonna fry them 10 minutes until golden brown soft. And now I'm shredding the chicken into pieces using my finger, and I'm adding the fry mix in. Give it a good mix. Add half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon vinegar, and half teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon black pepper, and 2 teaspoon ketchup if you like, because it makes better taste, and you can taste when you mix it. And I'm gonna put half handful cheese. Give a good mix, and some coriander. Then mix it again. I've got my ready-made dough, and if you like, you can make it at home, or you can go any store you can buy, because it's so easy like this. Now I make already pastry bits, and with this roll that, then the frying pan. Put little bit oil, olive oil. Then they don't stick with that thing. Now I'm gonna put them into oven for 20 or 30 minutes until golden brown. You can check and change the side. Here they go in oven. Now pastry is ready, and you can check them. They are very nice, beautiful. My children love it so much, and I hope you're gonna like it. And if you like my recipe, subscribe my channel and like as well. Thanks for watching Nisa Home Cooking.